right, Ralph here with 805 Barbecue brand. We're here at American River Ace Hardware in Folsom, California, and I'm going to talk a little bit about our Santa Maria style barbecue pits that we make. This is a 20-inch by 30 grill. It fits about, give and take, 12 tri-tips, probably 6 baby backs. The frame, we have a box tubing frame, 1.5 inches. Same thing with the grill. It's actually an inch box tubing, an 1/8-inch wire. And then we have a 10-inch crank wheel that we put a little lock bar mechanism in the middle. So that way when you're raising the grill up or down, you don't ever have to worry about this wheel giving out or wearing out. A lot of times after so many years, this will kind of loosen up, and without a little lock mechanism, what happens is the more weight of or pounds of meat that you put on here, it's going to tend to kind of go down by itself because it's loose. But with this lock mechanism, you don't ever have to worry about that. Now the cool thing about this is if you raise the grate all the way up like so, you could actually get some meat hooks and hang pineapple, chicken, ribs that way. I see a lot of people doing it on social media, on YouTube. Not only that, if you get a universal rotisserie, you could clamp it to each end, and now you have a rotisserie style barbecue. So it's not just a Santa Maria style barbecue pit. I mean, you could do so much more with it. Okay, and then it also features a 17 by 15 cutting board. Now, a lot of times when you find a so-called Santa Maria style barbecue pit, they either have a wood cutting board or a plastic cutting board. Ours, like I said, when we build them, it's built to last. So we like to feature either a stone, a granite, a marble cutting board. Also, you'll find the wheels here have locks, so it's easy to maneuver. Again, lock it in place. You don't ever have to worry about it rolling down. It's hand built, built well, and it's gonna outlast you. Now you can find these pits made from Santa Maria here at American River Ace Hardware in Folsom, California.